Hello guys, hope you are all doing good. So nowadays I think these FII people are boozing heavily, drinking heavily. I think they are in the party mood obviously because Christmas holidays, then New Year holidays, everything is lined up, right? Now that is what they are doing. They are partying heavily, they are coming and selling and they booze and they have some hangover and they go to sleep. So once they sell, we with the help of retail people, we with the help of DIAs take the market upside, and suddenly they wake up and say, oh, they have brought the market upside, we will sell. Then they started selling. So that is what is happening today, right? So from 17,150 all the way down to 16,900, then we took it up to 17,100 or 50, 17,050, then again they started selling. So in the last second part of the trading session, or almost after 2:30, we saw a slight drop in the Nifty. But markets are kind of consolidating, right? So this is what we were expecting. Markets should be consolidating for at least 1 week. I thought market will consolidate till expiry only. But to my surprise, it is even after expiry, it is consolidating. So that's a good sign, right? At least now, all these days, last 2 months we didn't make big money. So anyway, people were asking, where is your profit and loss statement? Where is your profit and loss statement? I don't know why people are asking. Even my auditor has not asked so much times, where is your profit and loss statement? Anyway, we will show only 4 more trading sessions. We will combine both November and December and we will show the profit and loss statement. I really don't know why people are asking for profit and loss statement. So that is what is happening here. So as per our prediction, markets are consolidating until January 1st. I think market should consolidate. So this is the perfect time for making straddles or strangles or whatever. Today morning we did a strangle and we did a straddle. So both the strategy is in profit. Obviously it should be in profit, no, because market is not moving. It's making zigzag move, heavy up and down moves, but it's in the same place for the last 2 or 3 trading sessions. So that way it is a good thing to do, good thing to happen for an option seller. And one guy called me and asked, sir, what is option selling? You describe option selling. So I told him, option sellers eat like hen and shit like elephant. So that's what we do, right? So when it comes to profit, we take a very small profit, and when it comes to loss, we are having very, very big losses. So anyway, I saw this joke in a social media platform. It's not my own joke. So let's see how things pan out. As of now, we should be consolidating. And if you see the open interest data also, before open interest, we will talk about FIIs. So if you see FIIs, what is very surprising is, yesterday they sold for around 272 crores. That is the lowest in the last 2 or 3 months, right? So when it comes to selling. So is this selling finished? We really don't know. We'll have to wait and see what is happening behind the scene, or what is going to happen after this Christmas or New Year holiday finishes. What is going to happen, we really don't know. As of now, market should be consolidating. That's what I told in the earlier part of this video also. So FII selling in low numbers, does it mean market is going to reverse, or are we going to hit a lifetime high? We really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. As of now, that's what I'm saying. As of now, we should be consolidating. If the market closes above 17,400, then it is time to be bullish. At the same time, if you see it on downside, maybe 16,400 or 16,800. Yeah, 16,400 is very long. 16,800 should be a good support on the downside, and on the upside, 17,400. Should be a good resistance. Once either of this support or resistance is taken out, then we should be having a clear idea where the market is trying to go. Anyway, FIs will do some tricks and do magic and try to pull the retailer's leg. We'll see what plan they have. As of now, I don't think they don't have any plan. Only plan is to party hard because of Christmas and New Year holidays, right? So let's see the open interest chart also. Open interest chart also, there's a significant call rating. So 17,200 is having the highest open interest. You know why? Because 17,200, there was a trend formation in 17,200. So this is the 5 minutes chart of Nifty. So I'll show you a simple trend line. So if you see here, this trend should be, yeah, if you draw a trend line like this, okay, 1 second, yeah, if you draw a trend line somewhere like this, yeah, on this area, right, this area is around 17,200 or 17,250 levels. So maybe that is the reason why they have highest call in 17,200. So that is today's price action. So if you see here on the historical option chain also, 17,200 is having the highest open interest after 17,500. And I think people are writing a short straddle today. That's what I told in the first part of the video, that straddles and strangle will work till end of December series. We have 4 more trading sessions. So whether you do a straddle or whether you do it a strangle, it is going to work perfectly. And of course, India VIX will also come down eventually from Monday. I think so. So let's see how. What nowadays I'm seeing India VIX. No, this is not correlating with the Nifty movement. Nifty is moving so much and India VIX is not shooting up. See, today morning alone, Nifty has moved 200, 250, 300 points. But this India VIX never shooted up. It should be, I thought it should be around more than 200 or, 20 or 21%, but it is not shooting up. So that is the one thing you will have to keep in mind. And if you see weekly thing in open interest in Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is a different thing. So you will have to be an you have to be an IITN, or you have to be educated in MIT to trade in Bank Nifty. Just joking, but this is the way it is traveling. No, the way it is moving, making movements. No, you will get it will make you crazy. So that's why I am saying here. So Bank Nifty, there is highest open interest in 35,000 and 35,000. Yeah, again 35,000. They are writing straddles and strangles. So whether you make straddles and strangles, you will make money in this week. Don't go for long term, and don't go and take long term options also, which is expiring 6 months or 9 months. And I don't know how people manage these long term options, right, in this kind of volatile market. And 35,500 call option is written, 36,000 call option is written. So there are more calls than puts in Bank Nifty, and Nifty is also the same scenario, right? There are more calls than puts. So we will have to not actually, yeah, there are more calls than puts in Nifty also and Bank Nifty also. So we will have to wait and see how things pan out. As of now, market should be consolidating. Don't worry about anything, and I'm not getting into stock specific action and just generalizing the facts or what is happening in the market. So we'll see how things pan out. Nothing much. Take care, party hard, have a happy weekend. Take care, bye.